Hello everyone, welcome in RK Tutorials Simdega YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about question tag of future perfect tense because previous class already we have finished that question tag of future continuous tense. So let's start. Rule of distinguish the sentence, that means which type of sentence is called question tag of future perfect tense. So rule is saying that जिस वाक्य के अंत में चुका होगा ना, चुका होगा ना, चुकी होगी ना, चुके होंगे ना रहे, उसे क्वेश्चन टैग ऑफ फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस का वाक्य कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, मैं पत्र लिख चुका हूंगा ना, हम लोग गाना गा चुके होंगे ना, राधा कथक ना चुकी होगी ना. सो प्लीज टेक पेन एंड कॉपी एंड राइट डाउन विथ मी हाउ टू राइट. जिस वाक्य के अंत में चुका होगा ना, जिस वाक्य के अंत में चुका होगा ना, चुका होगा ना, चुका होगा ना, चुकी होगी ना, चुकी होगी ना, चुके होंगे ना, चुके होंगे ना रहे, उसे क्वेश्चन टैग ऑफ फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस का वाक्य कहते हैं. सो लेट्स वी टेक सम हिंदी एग्जांपल. माय एग्जांपल इज दैट मैं पत्र लिख चुका हूंगा ना, मैं पत्र लिख चुका हूंगा ना. वेरी सिंपल बिकॉज क्वेश्चन टैग इज बेस्ड ऑन द टेंस. सो मैं पत्र लिख चुका हूंगा ना, हम लोग गाना गा चुके होंगे ना, हम लोग गाना गा चुके होंगे ना, हम लोग गाना गा चुके होंगे ना, तुम चित्र बना चुका होगा ना, तुम चित्र बना चुका होगा ना, वह सिनेमा देख चुकी होगी ना, देख चुकी होगी ना, वे लोग हल चला चुके होंगे ना, चला चुके होंगे ना, राम आम खा चुका होगा ना, चुका होगा ना. एंड लास्ट माय एग्जांपल इज दैट सीता कपड़ा धो चुकी होगी ना, कपड़ा धो चुकी होगी ना, चुकी होगी ना. So that you are looking whatever I have taken the Hindi example, end of the sentence you are looking that चुका होगा ना, चुके होंगे ना, चुका होगा ना, चुकी होगी ना, चुके होंगे ना, चुका होगा ना. Again you can look here चुकी होगी ना. That's why I told you that जिस वाक्य के अंत में चुका होगा ना, चुका होगा ना, चुकी होगी ना, चुके होंगे ना रहे, उसे क्वेश्चन टैग ऑफ फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस का वाक्य कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, मैं पत्र लिख चुका हूंगा ना, हम लोग गाना गा चुके होंगे ना, तुम चित्र बना चुका होगा ना, वह सिनेमा देख चुकी होगी ना, वे लोग हल चला चुके होंगे ना, राम आम खा चुका होगा ना, सीता कपड़ा धो चुकी होगी ना. आई होप यू आर एबल टू डू. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. रूल ऑफ मेकिंग सेंटेंस. रूल ऑफ मेकिंग सेंटेंस इज सेइंग दैट सब्जेक्ट प्लस will have plus V3 plus object plus owned plus subject. So now I am writing, please you also write. Subject plus will have plus V3 plus object. Till here it is the rule of future perfect tense, but we are reading the question text so that I can add here owned plus subject, because owned and subject is showing about the question text. So that already I have told you that each and every class I am saying that question text is based on tense, so that you have to careful the rule of the tense, because you know tense, then easily you can know about the question text. So I have given the rule. According to this rule, let's we try to take some example. That in Hindi, मैं पत्र लिख चुका हूँगा ना, then what will happen? मैं, that means I will have written a letter. Here subject plus will have plus V3 plus object, but here you are looking owned, so we can write here also owned plus subject. And what is the subject here? I, so you can write here I. You must put the question mark because it is the question tag. If I say हम लोग पत्र लिख चुके होंगे ना, then we will have written a letter. We will have written a letter. Won't we? Same if I say तुम पत्र लिख चुका होगा ना, then you will have, very simple, you will have written a letter. You will have written a letter. Won't you? If I say वह पत्र लिख चुका होगा ना, then he will have written a letter. He will have written a letter. Won't he? If I say वह पत्र लिख चुकी होगी ना, then she will have written a letter. She will have written a letter. Won't she? If I say that वे लोग पत्र लिख चुके होंगे ना, then they will have written a letter. They will have written a letter. Won't they? If I say राम पत्र लिख चुका होगा ना, then what will happen? Ram will have written a letter. Won't Ram? So like that you can take the example. So now we are going to discuss in Hindi. हमारा रूल क्या है? Subject plus will have plus V3 plus object plus on plus subject. तो सब्जेक्ट के रूप में आप देख रहे हैं मैं क्या लिया हूं, I, we, you, he, she, they and राम सभी क्या है? सब्जेक्ट है। उसके बाद हमारा रूल क्या बोलता है? will have। तो सभी सब्जेक्ट के बाद आप क्या देख रहे हैं? will have। उसके बाद V3, तो V3 के रूप में मैंने क्या लिया? written, because already you know that written is the V3 of right. After then यहाँ पर क्या है? ऑब्जेक्ट। तो ऑब्जेक्ट के रूप में मैंने क्या लिया? a letter। उसके बाद क्या है? owned, यहाँ पर मैं डाल दिया owned क्योंकि हमारा रूल बोलता है। उसके बाद क्या है? सब्जेक्ट। तो ये आप सब्जेक्ट ग्रुप में आप देख रहे हैं ना, I, we, you, he, she, they and राम, क्योंकि मैं बोला हूं ना पहला सब्जेक्ट और आखिरी वाला सब्जेक्ट होता है हमेशा सेम होता है, इसलिए I तो I, we तो we, you तो you, he तो he, she तो she, they तो they, राम तो राम। तो चलिए बात करते हैं हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन की। तो क्या होगा? I will have written letter, won't I? मैं पत्र लिख चुका हूँगा ना। We will have written letter, won't we? हम लोग पत्र लिख चुके होंगे ना। You will have written letter, won't you? तुम पत्र लिख चुका होगा ना। He will have written letter, won't he? वह पत्र लिख चुका होगा ना। She will have written letter, won't she? वह पत्र लिख चुकी होगी ना। They will have written letter, won't they? वे लोग पत्र लिख चुके होंगे ना। Ram will have written letter, won't Ram? राम पत्र लिख चुका होगा ना। मैं पत्र लिख चुका होगा ना, हम लोग पत्र लिख चुके होंगे ना, तुम पत्र लिख चुका होगा ना, वह पत्र लिख चुका होगा ना, वह पत्र लिख चुकी होगी ना, वे लोग पत्र लिख चुके होंगे ना, राम पत्र लिख चुका होगा ना। एंड हर एक क्लास में बोलता हूं कि राम के स्थान पर ही का प्रयोग कर सकते हैं, लेकिन बोलने में सुविधा होता है इसलिए मैं क्या डाल दिया हूं? राम तो राम। लाइक दैट यू कैन टेक ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ सेंटेंस एंड यू कैन make and you can learn English. I hope you are able to do so. Let's start speech. In speech today I have taken the very small and good topic. The topic name is town life. I am going to start, so please carefully listen and do it, and you have to make homework, so careful. Town life is peaceful life because in town all facilities are available, just like good school, good hospital, good road, good electricity, so that you can do each and every work better way. If you want to go for the interview, then you can take the auto. Suppose that you are belonging from poor family, then easily you can go by the help of auto. My dear friend, in town life we can find the competition because lots of crowd is available, so that people are doing some work, they always want to do some different from other, because they are educated person, because they are taking good education, because good school and good colleges are available, so that they understand the competition and they do hard work. And you know that hard work is key of success, so that they success and at last they do job and they fulfill the needs of their parents and they live comfortable life, so that we can say town life is good life. My dear friend, one thing I want to say, in town we can find the small industries, so that in small industry people can take the employment, because we know that in present unemployment is going in high rate, but due to small industries people are taking the employment and they are fulfilling their needs. But in village area, all villagers are based on agriculture, and when agriculture work finished, that time they are facing the employment problem. So that in town life we can take the employment and we can fulfill our needs, so that we can say that town life is good. So that in present we are looking that most of the villagers are going town. Why? Because they can find the work in town. One thing I want to say, in present we are facing the bandi problem in village area, but in town area there are very less bandi, so that people can do each and every work every day, because you know that continuity is very important part in our life. If you regular in your work, then you can do something. If you want regular, then you can't do your work better way, so that town life is good life. My dear friend, some merits and demerits is also available in town area, but we try to remove the demerits and try to increase the merits. Why? Because we can say in town area pollution is also available, so that we can say it is the demerits, but people are trying to reduce the pollution, so that in present people are living good life in town area. So I can say town life is peaceful life. Thank you. I hope you are able to do, and according to me and better than me, you have to practice and you have to try to make the sentence. Thank you very much for watching my video.